In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft VR on Oculus Quest 3 without a PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To play Minecraft in virtual reality with your Oculus Quest 3 without using a PC or any other device such as a console or a phone, you will need to set up and use Questcraft. So this is essentially Minecraft but developed specifically for Oculus Quest headsets, and it is going to have all of the major updates for standard Minecraft. So I'm going to go over the process of downloading this and setting it up on your Oculus headset. First of all, you will need to download Mobile VR Station. So set this up before starting. This will be needed because you will have to download and install the APK for SideQuest. So now, after you have it downloaded, open a web browser on your MetaQuest headset and go to sidequestvr.com. On this website, look for SideQuest using the search function. So on sidequestvr.com, look for SideQuest. On the results, you should see it here, SideQuest VR. So choose this first option that appears. And then if you scroll down, you will find this link here. So after you scroll down a little bit on this page, you will find download APK directly, SideQuest VR. So choose this link and you will be redirected into a GitHub page that looks like this. So this is the website, github.com/sidequestvr/flight/releases. In here, download this APK file. You don't need to download anything else, just look for the APK. This is the installer for SideQuest. Now inside of Mobile VR Station, go into Available Content, Configuration Wizard, usually at the bottom, and then you will be able to open the APK by selecting any of these. So you will see the Downloads folder, and then you can load up the APK that you downloaded at release. This will install SideQuest. Once you run the APK and you have it downloaded, you will need to connect your account. So you will be given a code here, and you have to visit this link, sdq.st/link, and enter the code displayed here to connect your account. So I recommend using your phone to do this. Make sure that you don't close down the application and you keep this open on your VR headset. After it is done, you will be able to open SideQuest. To do this, just run it after the installer is done. So once you have SideQuest, open Questcraft 3. You can use the search function, but usually it is going to be on the home screen, and then choose the option to sideload now. This will install Questcraft onto your headset, and if you go over to Applications and then Unknown Sources, you can find and run Questcraft. This is what it looks like, so it is similar to the standard launcher. You will have to add your account, so choose this option and follow the instructions here. Use a web browser to open the page www.microsoft.com/link and enter the code displayed here, which is either going to be a bunch of numbers or letters and numbers mixed. Then on this website, here, microsoft.com/link, you can enter the code that was given to you, sign into your Microsoft account, and the link will be established. With this done, you will see your Minecraft profile or Minecraft character here, your account name, and then you are ready to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.